Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're demonstrating an AM-8 track out of a 68 Charger. It is now an AM-FM 8-track with a heck of a lot more output power because the customer went with a new harness in place of the original connectors. This comes from Earl in Tampa, Florida. Thank you so much, Earl, for your business all the way across the country. Tampa is quite a distance away from Arizona, so we're here to make sure it all works before we send her back. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get, so we can demonstrate the balance and fader functions during talk radio and not get nailed for stealing somebody's music. So here we go. AM.
And they know the difference. It's why churches, Protestant churches that don't preach it, that fly rainbow flags,
okay,
and say
original
if
balance
it feels good,
control.
do it.
Balance
and
right.
they tickle the ears
Left.
of
Right.
the secular culture
Left.
just so they can
Okay,
get
I'm gonna
bodies into
center
the
'em.
seats. It's actually having the opposite
Okay,
effect.
now we're going to
People are
adjust our
repelled.
virtual front rear fader, which is in the tone control.
I saw this Episcopal church yesterday, says they're breaking away from
Fader adjust.
refugee
so
resettlement
all the way
because
front,
they just divide what
all the way
Trump
rear,
has done in bringing whites
front,
from South Africa into
rear.
the country. Whatever. That's that same Marianne Budd lady. And incidentally,
Fader
Set. Okay,
Isn't
now
it
we're going to
interesting
move over to FM, which on this radio we do by turning it off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM. We don't need this stuff anymore. And we'll just go down the dial. Make sure we pick up some FM stations.
Like myself, like
I feel or sometimes in the middle of work last month.
so bad I wanna
Them when they use a pulpit, $1 million
thousands. The
on air and online at 96.
story that if they
Freeze of a $1 million.
what happened?
Okay, I counted right at 30 FM station here. Okay, let's try the 8-track. Blank spot there. End of a song, so we might be coming on a track change.
You understand? Oh, what a
Okay, that takes care of that. Let's make sure the dial light goes on and off. And it do nice soft green glow there. So she's ready to go back. I'm ready to do some packing. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And from the home page of that website, please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions about my options, prices, and turn times, because that's all answered in the work order as you're filling it out. And then that way, if you do need to call me, just to get to know me and trust me or something like that, or to ask a quick question, it's a much shorter conversation, which keeps me on the bench where the work gets done. I don't get anything done on the phone, guys. So please do that research before calling me. After that, I'm perfectly happy to talk to you. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Earl, for your business all the way from Tampa, Florida, and we'll see you guys next time.